Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these awesome Turmeric Gold liquid drops by Myriad Ruth. So Myriad Ruth is a well-known company. It's very reputable for its products and how it's made. This is great. I am struggling with some inflammation in my body, so I have started taking these to kind of aid in reducing my inflammation, and it has been very, very helpful. You basically just take this little dropper. It comes in a dropper bottle here. Only one drop is all you need. You can take it one drop 3 times a day, and you can take it in your mouth or you can mix it in with water. It says it's good either way. So this is great. It has the black pepper in it because when you take turmeric, you're supposed to take black pepper with it to help it be absorbed more in your body. So it comes with that already. I personally like the flavor, but I could see how it might be hard for some people, but you know, that's what you're going to get with turmeric if that's what you need to take. You can't really avoid that taste. So in my opinion, these don't taste bad, but that's just my point of view.